Do you want your YouTube channel to grow faster and rank higher in search results? Then you want to pay attention to your YouTube channel description and channel tags. By the way, why are they so important and how can you use them the right way? Make sure you stick around in this video because I'm going to break everything down for you. Your channel description is like your channel's elevator pitch. When someone visits your channel for the first time, what they see is your YouTube channel description. So this is important for them to know exactly what your channel is all about and see if they are in the right place. YouTube's algorithm also reads your channel description to best understand what your channel is all about, so they can know which audience they should push your videos to. A well-written channel description helps YouTube push your videos to the right audience. It also improves your search or ranking results on YouTube and on Google. And thirdly, it also tells the viewers what they should expect in your channel. How can you write a strong channel description? First, you will have to use a strong hook by adding what your channel is all about in the first 2 lines. Let's look at what I have here on my own channel. Welcome to Armando Vision. Here we help you grow your YouTube channel, rank higher with SEO, and create high quality videos that stand out. Whether you are a beginner or looking to level up, we cover YouTube growth strategies, video editing tips, content creation setups, and the best gear recommendation to help you succeed. We also provide YouTube editing tutorials on software like Premiere Pro, CapCut, and DaVinci Resolve, helping you master video editing and take your content to the next level. Secondly, you also want to make sure you add relevant keywords in your channel description. This channel is all about YouTube growth. You heard something like grow your YouTube channel. You heard something like YouTube growth strategies, video editing software like Premiere Pro, Final Cut, or CapCut. Those are what we call relevant keywords. Don't add irrelevant keywords that are not linked to your channel, so YouTube will not take all those keywords into consideration. For example, if this channel is all about video editing, you cannot be talking about Mr. Beast unless you are analyzing one of Mr. Beast's video. You can also add a call to action by encouraging viewers to subscribe, hit on the notification bell. Let me show you how you can add your channel description. When someone click on your channel link, what they see is this page. This is your channel description. Welcome to Armando Vision. So if I click on more, it's going to expand. So this is my channel description, and down here you have channel keyword. Click on your icon at the top right corner, go to YouTube Studio, click on customization. Under profile, you will get your channel description. This is what you will type here. So if you ask ChatGPT what you need to type, like mine, if ChatGPT gives you anything that you can put in your channel description, just simply copy it like this, and then you go to your channel and paste it right here. At the end, make sure you go to publish, but I don't want to do mine because I've already done that. You go to publish for it to be saved. We are done with the channel description, and our channel tag should also be relevant to your channel description. Still under here, you will get to see settings, and when you tap settings, click on channel, and under basic info you will see keywords or tags. They are the same thing. So if you ask ChatGPT to give you tags as well, then you simply copy and paste all those tags right here. These are, for example, tags: video editing, videography, photography, YouTube growth. So just copy them like this. Make sure they are separated by commas. If you copy the ones with hashtags, it won't work. And if I want to auto close this one, I will just click on this X to wipe everything, and then I will simply paste the ones that I copied. You will notice that they will automatically be separated because commas were added. Save it as well so that everything should now function pretty well. That is exactly how you can add your channel description and your channel tags so as to rank your videos for more search, for more views. When YouTube knows what your channel is all about, it can suggest your content to the right audience. By so doing, you will get more views, you will get more recommendation, and you will also get more subscribers. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more videos. Don't also forget to share so other people can benefit. I will see you in the next YouTube tips videos. Amando Vision.